Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Judging by the gigantic stack of food you guys see behind me, today we are gonna be doing a pack with me for the RV. I also went to Ikea looking for homeschool things, but I found some really good finds for our RV. And I know a lot of you guys enjoy hearing about RV stuff. I know a lot of people have purchased RVs, and so we are getting ready to head out for about a 5-day trip. And then right after that, we are gonna be taking our longest journey ever. We'll be on the road for 2 weeks, and we have not done that yet. So a lot of this stuff that I got at Ikea was with that trip in mind, but we're getting to use it for this trip first, for the 5-day one. I do want to thank today's video sponsor. It is Bellway. They have fiber sticks, perfect for summer traveling, especially if you're in an RV and every inch of space matters. So thank you, Bellway, for sponsoring today's video, but that's what you guys can expect today, just some RV stuff. I thought it would be fun and kind of a good change up on my channel. So here is our huge heap of groceries that need to make their way into the RV. However, obviously not the refrigerated things and the frozen things. We are dry camping this weekend, and if you are not familiar with camping and RV stuff, you might not know what that means, but that means that there's no hookups. So we're going out into nature just like you would with your tent, and there's no water. There's, so we need to pack water. So that's why there's so much water. It's the 4th of July, so I've got all the goods there. All this stuff is gonna make its way into the trailer. I'm not gonna do it until the morning we're leaving though, because even though this is like pantry food, it is 110 is the high today, and so the bread gets really moist and stuff. So that is gonna make me wait until till the morning we're leaving, and then I'll obviously grab the fridge and freezer stuff. This is the Bellway Super Fiber Lemon Lime, Raspberry Lemon, and Mixed Berry, and they come in each of these with 6 7-gram sticks of fiber. So it's your whole serving in one stick. And I wanted to share this with you because I think a lot of times during the summer, during travel, people get away from taking their supplements, taking care of their health, because, you're out, you're not at home doing what you would regularly do. But these are so awesome for travel because you can literally just put them in your purse, put them in a suitcase, keep them in your RV. That's what I'm gonna be doing with mine because the pantry space for a family this big is very tight. And so I can't fit all of my huge canisters and things like that. So I love these Bellway sticks. Here is what the Bellway fiber sticks look like when you take them out of the package. It's your whole serving in here. And of course, it's what you guys know and I love about Bellway. Gluten-free, plant-based, real fruit, great tasting, and dissolves quickly. So you can put these in your backpack for travel. You can put them in your suitcase. You can put them in your purse, your RV, whatever you need. And it's not going to take up a ton of space. But I just want to encourage you guys to make sure that you are taking care of your health through the summer. Even on vacation, I really try to keep up with my vitamins and supplements because I definitely notice a difference when I am not taking them. So if you guys want to check out Bellway or you need some Bellway travel sticks, the link will be down below. You can also use my code ASHLEE20 to save 20% on your order. If you have never tried taking a fiber supplement from Bellway, let me just tell you guys, it is the best. It dissolves perfectly. It's not gritty. It's not grindy. It's not going to make you gag on its way down, and you will notice a huge difference in how you feel. For me, I notice it in my hair growth. I notice it in bloating and just digestive regularity. It is so helpful. Everyone who I've recommended Bellway to, who has tried it, has given me such wonderful feedback, even getting their husbands to join them. So lead the ways, moms, and the link will be down below for you guys to try Bellway if you want to check it out. All right, so here's a little haul of some RV stuff that I wanted to share with you guys if you have a travel trailer. These are some things that after having it for almost 2 years in August, these are some things that we have added that I think would be useful. So I like to mop with a Swiffer in the travel trailer. It's just the easiest and most convenient way, so I needed to get some more replacement things. I found this really cute drying mat at Hobby Lobby for washing dishes because of course you hand wash dishes in there. And then this folds up really small, so you don't need to waste space with like a dish drying thing. Dry camping means less showering because we need to preserve water. So we got these cucumber citrus face and body wipes from Trader Joe's. Here's a few of the things from Ikea. So these bags, they obviously can be multi-purposed. I'm gonna put up some command hooks and then hang these on them because these will be great for holding produce, onions, just anything that would be taking up space. Getting it off the counter when it's so limited is really helpful. Plus I loved the colors. So we have these two. Jake was telling me he missed making his French press coffee. We used to do this when we tent camped and he loves it. So when I went to Ikea, I got a new one of those. And then I also got the dark roast coffee that to do with it. Grabbed some spray sunscreen from Trader Joe's. I recently was watching something on, you know, like the best of the worst sunscreen, so to speak. And this one was on there for being one of the better options, and it's not super expensive. In the RV, I like to, we always end up packing sandwiches if we're going out hiking and things. And so I ordered these reusable Ziplocs from Amazon. Actually, they came in a really big pack. They were only $12. I would never reuse something that I like marinated chicken in because I just would feel like that would be disgusting without proper sanitation. But for chips or crackers or sandwiches, these will be perfect, and then I won't be running out of Ziplocs all the time. The next thing from Ikea is this really nifty toilet brush. Enough said. Even the RV toilets need one of those. Jake likes to heat up the water on the camping stove. We use this Stanley, it's a, I don't know what you would call this, but we had one of these and we used it until it couldn't be used anymore. So we replaced that for doing the French press. I got my dogs a really good quality water bowl because after spending $5 to $10 on 2 plastic cheap ones that get stepped on and broken because kids are running to and from the campsite, the dogs, chairs, you know, the sun fades it. I decided I'm gonna get them a good dog bowl, so I got that for them. Here's a bunch of command hooks. This is probably my RV recommendation number 1 is using these. So I got a bunch because like I said, we're preparing to go out in the RV for 2 weeks. So we're gonna need more stuff naturally, even with doing laundry, but like everybody's hats take up a lot of space. So I got these hooks that I figured we could find a place on the wall and then everybody could hang their hats there. The rest of this stuff is just like I needed to replenish paper towels, some plastic forks. Anytime we come back from a trip, I wash all the laundry then, and then I just kind of set it aside. So this stuff I keep in the RV, and I washed it last time. This was our dirty laundry bag that I brought in last time, and I'll be reusing it this time as well. So that is a little RV haul. I have one more thing from Ikea to show you guys. These zippered bags, I believe, were $5. They are the Parkla, I think. Yeah, bags from Ikea. So if you guys watched when we very first got our travel trailer, I was using just like Closet Mate or like store, like a 13-inch cube bin. Those work fine for clothes for quick trips, but for longer trips, we needed a better way to store it. I am shocked because Jake and I fit 5 days of clothes in here and we still have room. So these are amazing because you can put them under, let's say you're in our RV, the dining bench seats lift up for storage. So we can put these underneath there, which is amazing. So I got one for all the kids. Like this one has so much more room in it. So these are gonna be really, really handy when we're, you know, going on longer trips for clothes. So that way we don't have to keep suitcases in the car and then kind of like replenish into the RV, because we just don't have space to keep giant suitcases in our travel trailer. So I wanted to share these with you guys. These are amazing for RVing. They crunch down, you can get all the air out of them. Really, really like them. So this is our little pantry area in our RV, and like I said, space is a premium in here for a family of 6. So I'm gonna just take my bellway sticks and put them in this over the door hanger that we have in the bathroom, right here, and they'll fit perfectly in here and it won't be hogging up any precious cabinet space. So super convenient. Love, love, love that Bellway thought of these. Also, in case any of you are big families and your kids shower and they're like, Mom, where's the lotion? Mom, where's this? Where's the Q-tips? This shoe organizer has been one of the best things that I've got for our trailer, because again, we didn't go all out. We didn't want to be in debt and have tons of, you know, payments and crazy things. So we wanted it to be very modest. So we don't have any bathroom cabinet storage. So all that's in there is like a medicine cabinet, and down here there's not much room at all. So we really needed something. So that was a quick little storage solution that I found. These were the bins that we were using previously for clothes, and they're just too small for anything more than just like 2 or 3 days. So that's why I got those Ikea things, which I really, really like.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can.
So another thing that I do for RV trips is meal plan. It's just the only way for me with needing to feed so many people and like forgetting things, not having what I need. So I always make a meal plan just in the notes section on my phone. So you guys can see I break it down by day, and just like my regular meal plans in my house, you know, we might have this dinner on that night or whatever, it's fine, but I just like to break it down. So I know you guys always love RV camping meal ideas. So let me start with dinner the night we arrive. Dinner on like your unload day, I like to keep it so easy. So I get the pre-made taco trays at Costco. 9 times out of 10, the chicken's already cooked, you just have to heat it, and it comes with everything you need. So that is our dinner the night we arrive. Saturday for breakfast, I have eggs and I have potatoes. I like the Trader Joe's potatoes. Lunch, sandwich and chips. Dinner, Trader Joe's orange chicken with some rice. And then Sunday for breakfast, I have pancakes and berries. For lunch, I have pasta salad, which I made ahead. Then dinner, I have rice and chicken teriyaki meatballs. The teriyaki meatballs are also pre-made, pre-cooked, and from Costco. Monday, we are doing an oatmeal or a cereal morning. Lunch, having pasta salad again because I make a lot. The kids love it, we love it. Dinner that day, we're having a 4th of July potluck. So all of my family and friends, we're all going in together. I'm responsible for the hamburgers, buns, condiments, and I'm gonna make potato salad. I'm gonna wait to make the potato salad there because of fridge space. And then Tuesday we leave, and so we like to have something we can eat in the car as we drive home because we like to pack up the trailer the night before so we're not eating in the morning, and so we'll have bagels on the road. So that is my meal plan for this Friday to Tuesday trip. Now, when we are on the road in a few weeks, for 2 weeks, obviously I'm not doing 2 weeks of grocery shopping at a time. So what I'll do is I will grocery shop to get us like to our first destination. And then once I'm there, then I'll grocery shop for the period of time that we're there. And then once we move again, then I'll grocery shop in that city for that amount of time we're there, and then do the same thing. So 3 to 4 days at a time is really all I can fit in our trailer. And so that is the plan for that. So in order to not forget anything, what I do is I sit down with my meal plan that is in here, and I'm gonna make a little list for myself for refrigerated items that I need to grab out, because I have all of the dry food on the countertop, so I probably won't forget it, but I have been known to forget things that are in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna sit down with a pen and paper. I'm gonna go over this list. And for example, Friday, what's in the fridge right now is the Costco tacos. So I'm gonna write refrigerator, and then I'm going to write Costco tacos so that I have a checklist of what I'm taking out of the fridge on the morning of, because when we're trying to leave and situate the dogs and all of the kids, sometimes it's smooth and sometimes it's not smooth. So if I get flustered, then I'm more likely to forget something. And quite honestly, we keep like soup in the RV for like an emergency if I ever were to forget a whole meal, but I try not to do that. So I'm gonna sit down now and make this list of everything that I need to get out. That's just helps me with the mental overload of needing to prepare so many things for so many people. I feel like all my work is on the front end, and then once we get there, then it's like I can enjoy and relax a little bit because I do a lot of the cooking ahead of time. But it's definitely effort on the front side. So
Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
So that is gonna be it for this RV Pack With Me video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a change up from homeschool life here on my channel. We absolutely love travel, our travel trailer. We love getting out and exploring in nature, and it's been a blessing to us to have it since we got it in August of 2020. Many adventures had, many more to come. We really, really love it. So make sure you guys check out the links to Bellway down below. The travel sticks are so awesome and so convenient, and will definitely help you stay on track with taking your fiber, even if you're out traveling like I am. Very, very important. So all that information will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up before you go. It's a free way to support my channel. Leave me a comment if you have a question, and I will see you guys again really soon. Bye, friends.